Loud, loud and soft of sound. What's the meaning of loud and soft of sound? Trapping sound vibration make the sound louder. Trapping sound vibration make the sound louder. By this way, the sound be loud. Now, pitch of sound. What's the meaning of pitch of sound? Pitch of sound mean how high or low of sound. And the pitch of sound different from instrument to other instruments. Sometime will be high, other time will be low. We can change the pitch in same instrument by change something. We will discuss it later. Now the faster vibration that make high pitch of sound and slower vibration make lower pitch of sound. Faster vibration, high pitch of sound, slower vibration, low pitch of sound. Now I will show you now here lower pitch of sound, slow vibration. Look here, there is slow frequency, but here in higher pitch, faster vibration, fast frequency. Okay. Now the difference between soft and loud sound. So small vibration cause soft sound. Large vibration cause loud sound. I'm told to my students, small vibration, soft sound. You must memorize S small, soft. Small cause soft sound. Large vibration cause loud sound. Large L, loud L. Then large vibration cause loud sound. Small vibration cause soft sound. Now loudness or volume. What's the meaning of volume of sound? Volume of sound mean is how loud or soft the sound is. How loud or soft the sound is. We measure the sound volume by using an instrument called sound level meter. Sound level meter, and it's measured by using unit in unit called decibel. Like what? Like when we measure our mass of something or weight of something, we use balance, and which unit we use, kilogram or gram. But here in sound volume we use an instrument called sound level meter. This sound level meter measure the sound volume, and by which unit, in unit decibel. The volume of sound measured by an instrument called sound level meter. The sound volume unit is decibel. Now we have many examples on high sound in volume, loud sound and high in volume, and soft sound low in volume. Soft sounds like bird sounds, sleeping, baby sleeping sound, um, loud sound like some animal sounds, like microphone that sound, shouting sound, loud sound. Here we have many pictures show us some loud sounds. Lion, roar, loud sound. Police car, loud sound. Alarm or clock. Rocket, ship. Many sounds make loud. And also thunder sounds. Thunder sounds. Here there is exercise to choose which sound which sounds are loud and which are